It's hanging down. It's coming down.
Make sure your door's open.
Yeah, I know. Okay, door's open anyway. Oh, this is fun. Okay. Sorry, this is a little herky-jerky. We're just north of just north of Des Moines on Northwest 26th Street. I'm trying to see if we can see any rotation. So far, we're not seeing anything. There's a lot of cloudy ground lightning, like that. That thing right in front of you. You can see it clear as day on here, but I think I just don't see anything coming out of that. The problem is we still can't really see here.